Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing and review this Icon 800 aluminum rechargeable slim bar light. These are very popular. The black been out for a couple years, and it just came out with different colors. And I got blue to match my US General cabinet. So the front 800 aluminum is a little 200. Has a runtime of 3 hours on high, 7 hours on low. The backlight, high 500, low 180. Runtime, 4.5 hours on high, low 8.5. Then the flashlight, which is the front, which I'll show you here, is 3 different settings on this. 150 aluminum, 7 hours. All right. Does come with a cord, and it is charged too. All right, let's cut it open. Now the best thing to cut open these packages is this Quinn scissors. I can't tell you how much I like this. It's $9, well worth it. I actually got a review on it. These packages are really, really tough to get open. So we're going to unbox it, then we're going to jump over to Harbor Freight website because I'm going to show you the other lights in this line because this is magnetic. And I'll show you the other ones I have that are like this as well. But actually, I have quite a few big lights, the Bauer and the Hercules, but those are a lot bigger than this one. This one is really, really thin. We're getting the tight areas. Now, I was going to get the Braun also because there was a really good deal on that in the parking lot sale, but they're out. So I just bought this. All right, let's jump over to the Harbor Freight website real quick, and I'll show you this. All right, we're on the Harbor Freight website, and this is a blue one I have. And you see it's new. It's the red, blue, and green are new colors. Yeah, and the black, like I said, the black's been out for a couple years. And I'll show you, I paid $39.99 for it yesterday. I need it, and I didn't want to wait until it went on sale. And I'm going to show you the other ones that they have in this, and the magnetic work lights at Harbor Freight. And here's some they have. Of course, here's another Icon one, a little bit different. And we got these here as well. There's one that I went through yesterday, which was this one. This one had a really good deal on it. This was actually, the parking lot sale was 13 bucks. So I was gonna get that one as well, but you know, last day of the parking lot sale, and of course it was out. They had quite a few of them though. The guy said they sold the last 2 right before I got there, so no biggie. And I'm going to show you what, since the black one's been out, well, I don't have any prices on the color ones, but the black one here, this is a price tracking website. And you see this does go down on sale often. And there's a sale that pops up maybe twice a year, maybe 3 times a year, where you get 20% off Icon tools, which this would count, because that's part of the Icon line. You see the lowest this went down is about, let me see, went down to about $25 there back in 2024 there. All right, now here, the feedback rate on this is actually pretty good, 95%. All right, and it's comparing it to the Streamlight, which you're not gonna go there. I'm not familiar with that brand at all. All right, let's get back to the light. So this part folds. That's the limit of it. This is not twist at all. This just goes up and down, and there's 3 different lights on there. It's the back. That's the front. This is a flashlight mode. I'm gonna shut my lights off here in a minute, and I'll demonstrate the modes on this. I'll show you a difference here of the different lights here. It's a size comparison, because I know a lot of people have these stick lights, some Hercules and Bauer. Yeah, that one's big because I got a 12 amp hour battery on it. So you see the size difference between these, quite a bit smaller. All right, I'm going to shut my lights off, and then we'll try that out. All right, there's a flashlight mode. There's a front mode, low, high. That is the backlight, low, high. All right, I'm going to rotate these real quick again. All right, let's put it back into flashlight mode. And that's that mode. That's actually pretty bright, like that. There's that front and the low. High. That's really bright. And it's pitch black in here. It's early in the morning. And there's that back little light. Bright. All right. Let me crank the lights back on. Now, it does have a magnetic feature as well. Over to my US General cabinet. You can stick it on anywhere. That's a pretty solid magnetic bond. And where would we use this? Inside an engine compartment. Now for me, I'm going to use this for, it's really bright for hiking, because this will fit in my backpack. And then I got a solar charger I can charge it with. So it's really small, really bright. That's what I'm going to use it for. Also, I gotta do a head gasket in the tractor, so I'll be using this inside that engine compartment since it's nice and thin and will fit in there. All right. Like I said, if you're looking for this, put this on your list. As you saw, that came down quite a bit in price. $25. Just put in your list and wait for a sale for a 20% off for the Icon coupon to come out. And like that, they had quite a few of these. They had multiple pegs. I don't think this is in danger of running out during any sale. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.